Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel Invitation to English with Teacher Nuruddin. In this video, we're going to see a lesson of communication, which is making requests. So, we're going to see expressions of making requests, expressions of accepting requests, expressions of rejecting requests, and of course, some practice. But before we start, let's see first what is meant by requesting. Requesting is asking somebody to do something in a polite or formal way. So how do we need to request? A. Making requests. First expression, do something for me, will you? Example, open the window, please, will you? As you can see, we're not going to keep do something for me, but we change it with what we want to request. Another expression, will you please? Example, will you please wait for me at the bus station? Another expression, I want you to, please. Example, I want you to edit my essay, please. Another expression, can you, please. Example, can you post this letter for me, please? Another expression, could you please, example, could you please call me back later? I'm busy now. Another expression, would you please, example, would you please send her an email? Another expression, do you think you could? Example, do you think you could lend me your car? Another expression, could you possibly? Example, could you possibly help me in this school project? Another expression, I wonder if you could possibly? Example, I wonder if you could possibly lend me your laptop to prepare a PowerPoint presentation. So, expressions of making requests are, do something for me, will you? Will you please? I want you to, please. Can you, please? Could you, please, Would you please, Do you think you could? Could you possibly, I wonder if you could possibly, Now, let's see making requests with expressions of mind. Mind expressions are special ones. Why? Because they are followed by gerund, which is verb plus ing. So we have do you mind plus gerund. Example, do you mind coming tomorrow to prepare for the exam together? The other expression, would you mind plus verb plus ing, which is a gerund. Example, would you mind lending me some money to buy this jacket? The other expression, do you mind if I plus verb? Example, do you mind if I use your phone to make an urgent call? Now, let's see accepting requests. The expressions are sure. Sure, no problem. Yes, of course. Yes, that's fine. Yes, certainly. Here you are. But be careful with mind expressions, because mind expressions are tricky ones. Why? Because if you say yes, you're not accepting, but not rejecting. So if you want to accept, we can say, certainly not. No, not at all. No, of course not. Of course not. So, expressions of accepting requests, we have sure. Sure, no problem. Yes, of course. Yes, that's fine. Yes, certainly. Here you are. For mind expressions, we have certainly not. No, not at all. No, of course not. Of course not. Now, let's see how to reject requests. So, C, reject requests. Let's see some synonyms of rejecting. Synonyms of rejecting are declining, refusing, turning down. The expressions are sorry, I can't. Sorry, I'm afraid I can't. I'm afraid means I'm sorry. I'm afraid I can't. I'm sorry, but that's not possible. I would like to, but, and we give our excuse. Remember here that you need to refuse with the excuse. To be more polite, you don't just need to use the expressions, but you need to use an excuse to make your rejection much more polite. So rejecting requests, we say, sorry, I can't. Sorry, I'm afraid I can't. I'm afraid I can't. I'm sorry, but that's not possible. I would like to, but. Now, let's see some ways of responding to requests. When you give something to someone, you can use the following expressions. Here it is. Here you are. Here they are. Here you go. Informal expression. So when you give something to someone, we can say, here it is. Here you are. Here they are. Here you go. The last expression, of course, is informal, which means you can use this between friends. Now, let's see some examples. Example, conversation number 1. Ryan, I'd like to buy this jacket, but I don't think I have enough money. Do you think you could borrow me some money? Anas, sure, no problem. How much do you need? Ryan, 500 if you can. Anas, oh, I would like to, but I don't think I have that amount of money. Example, conversation number 2. Samira, I am preparing for my university project, but my internet data has just expired. Do you mind sharing your internet data to make my project done tonight? Sarah, no, not at all. Here you go. Samira, oh, thanks a million for your kind support. Sarah, don't mention it, please. So don't waste time. Go and finish your project. Now, let's see some practice. A. Match the requests in column A with their responses in column B. So here we need to match the numbers with the letters. Number 1. Could I have a steak, please? The answer is with the H. Certainly, madam. Number 2. Can you come and see me next Sunday? The answer is with the G. Sure, no problem. Next Sunday is fine. Number 3. Could you please reduce the price? It's expensive. The answer is with the C. Sorry, I'm afraid I can't. The price is fixed. Number 4. Do you mind keeping this for me until Friday? The answer is with F. Yes, that's fine, but only until then. Number 5. Can you repair this computer? The answer is with A. Sorry, we only sell computers. We don't repair them. 6. I'm checking out. Could I have my bill, please? The answer is with D. Certainly, sir. That's £100 for 2 nights. Number 7. Could I possibly pay by check, please? The answer is with B. I'm afraid the shop doesn't accept checks. Number 8. I wonder if you could help me. The answer is with I. I'll do my best. What's the problem? Number 9. Do you think you could give me a hand with these suitcases? The answer is with E. Sure. Let me take that one. So, number 1 with H, number 2 with G, number 3 with C, number 4 with F, number 5 with A, number 6 with D, number 7 with B, number 8 with I, number 9 with E. Now, let's see B. Practice B. Complete the following dialogues. Number 1. Rashid, could you please lend me your camera? Laura, accepts the requests. So, the answer is, or a possible answer could be, certainly, here you are. So, Rashid, could you please lend me your camera? Laura, certainly, here you are. Number 2, Andrew, have 2 kilos of sugar, please. Grocer, yes, certainly, here you are. A possible answer could be, could I have 2 kilos of sugar, please? Grocer, yes, certainly, here you are. Number 3, I'm Tommy. Father, I'm sorry, I can't help you do the math exercise. Do it yourself. Possible answer could be, Tommy, can you help me do the math exercise, please, Father? Father, I'm sorry, I can't help you do the math exercise. Do it yourself. Number 4. Hisham, excuse me. Give me your pen, please. Bobby, one. The blue one or the red one? Hisham, the blue one, please. Bobby, hands the pen to Hisham. Hisham, thanks, Bobby. So, possible answers could be, Hisham, excuse me, could you possibly give me your pen, please? Bobby, which one? The blue one or the red one? Hisham, the blue one, please. Bobby, here it is. Hisham, thank you. Number 5, Kate, are you free this afternoon? I want you to go with me to the fitness club. Ben, refuses. So possible answer could be, are you free this afternoon? I want you to go with me to the fitness club. Ben, I'm sorry, I can't. I have an appointment with my dentist. Now, exercise, letter C. What would you say in the following situations? First situation, you want your brother to post some letters for you. Possible answer could be, I have to post some letters, but I can't leave work now. Would you mind posting them for me? Number 2, you want your sister to show visitor around your city. Possible answer could be, I need to show visitor around the city, but I'm afraid I don't have much time for that. I wonder if you could possibly do it for me. Number 3, You want your computer science teacher to help you prepare PowerPoint presentation. You, Possible answer could be, I have an important presentation in physics. Do you mind if you help me prepare a PowerPoint presentation, please? Number 4. You ask someone to show you the way to the nearest chemists or pharmacists. You, Possible answer could be, I'm sorry, I'm not from here. Would you please show me the way to the nearest chemist? Number 5. You want your roommate to do you a favor? Check a report you have written. You, Possible answer could be, can you do me a favor, please? I wonder if you could possibly check this report. Number 6. You ask the hotel receptionist to give you a wake-up call. You, Possible answer could be, I'm sorry, but I have an important meeting tomorrow. Could you please give me a wake-up call? So, that's it for now. I hope you've learned something from this video. Don't forget to share, like and subscribe to make such video reach your friends and other students as well. Good luck and goodbye.